All right, today's the day. We're getting some juice. We found an empty spot. Well, not quite empty, but one that can be modded. And we're running cables. All right, what are we running cables for? About to find out right now. We're running more power for these. Basically, this is the alternator for the house. We need the big three, but big three here is going to be 3 dedicated outlets total. Should be nice. Need that juice for that bottom section, the base. And probably somewhere right there. 2 more, bam, bam. So we'll have a total of 1, 2, 3. And then there's one behind this TV already also. So yeah, it's a little bit messy down here, but only because we are under construction. Almost everything you see here is my computer room and the upstairs home theater stuff. It's all getting cleaned as soon as I'm done running these wires. Then it'll officially be ready to clean all that stuff up. Find us a nice little spot up there or what?
I think so.
Little way in?
Yeah. But I got a good, they sold it, or I would have been able to come right down there, which is good on your behalf.
Oh yeah. Let me see that thing. Yeah. All right, we're doing it.
The long shaft. Much easier this time, not as much anxiety about popping through your wall. Okay. So we're bottoming out. I'm gonna go pull them. You might need to feed them.
Okay.
Okay, so this one. Just got to make sure that other one's off, and we only turn on the 30 because that end's not landed yet.
Oh yeah.
Eyes are still pretty good, man. Let me, what do we got? Next layer.
One last little layer.
I got one more.
That thing ain't playing.
No.
I like it.
Brand new blade.
Go for that.
Okay, so we'll do the back, send the wires, and we're good. You might have to pull those wires so
Oh yeah.
slap them down.
I don't mind helping a little, so I can say I helped. That's right. Me and him did this.
Yep, pull it. Pull it. That's good.
Look at me helping. Yeah.
If you look, these plugs are different. They've got a prong on the side, so you can plug 20 amp in.
Oh yeah. I know. I got them at the shop. Remember,
Oh, yeah.
you already taught me that at the shop.
That's all we use in any commercial setting.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I'm so excited about this. That damn headlight, man. It's so fucking
Oh, you
bright.
want it up? Go ahead.
Go for it.
Final touches. Okay, get you a vacuum, man. We'll throw power to these bad boys. Keep it golden.
All right. Beautiful. Damn, that's nice. We're checking for juice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's good, right?
Yes, sir.
I like that. Beautiful. See, that's pretty nice because I got an outlet right here for my vacuum. Worked out good.
We're supposed to check it.
All right, the bass amps have their own 20 amp circuit. Coming in hot with that 120. Wasn't that high before. Let's plug the other one in. Okay, now I can see red lights on all the other stuff, and they got their own circuit. And we're coming in hot with 120 again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we got two 20 amp circuits. We got a 15 amp circuit here that was already here. And there's another one that's up here behind the TV. This is just gonna run all the little stuff, cable box, Blu-ray, whatever else we got that we just want to plug in. That's why I put the strip there, just for your normal everyday stuff. All right, as you can see, we are under construction still. I still got to do the boxes, but one major hurdle's done. We got dedicated outlets in the back, two 20s, the original 15, plus the other 15 that's on it. So 3 total, and this thing is saying 120 on top and bottom. I've never seen that before here, so that's good. Used to be 117 tops, 114, 115 under load. So that should be real nice. Let me turn this on. That 119. So the top power supply that's still at 120 isn't really being used too much right now. It's only lighting those up. That's the base amps. The bottom one's at 119 right now, and it's got the processor and these 3 amps for the surround sound. TV's got its own 15 amp circuit. So we are looking really, really good here, really strong. I guess you could say it's like a high output alternator for the house. You gotta have power to make power, and you can't plug everything you own into one dinky little outlet. At least you can't when you got this much stuff. So I'm happy to say that that part is done. I've been designing the boxes, or at least the thought process for the design has been started. Those 33s are gonna be worked on real soon when I get time to do it. But like I said, one major hurdle's done. I know it's kind of a lame video because it's just outlets, but just letting you guys know I'm trying to do it the right way, and that's all I can really say about it. I mean, I got it turned up pretty good, and it's at 118. It's never been this high, even not under load before.
H-Town down, jiggle straight down. Every day we celebrating like it's in the beach drop. Drink about the ladies talking on the phone.
Oh yeah. 1250 watts at 4 ohms. The amps are rated to go down to 2 ohms. But they do the same power at 4 and 2, so we're good. 1200 watts out of those amps, each one. And I haven't put it on the actual dyno, but out here in the living room, with the speaker actually hooked up, seeing over 1200 watts is real. That one's not gonna be any different. Can't wait till I get these boxes built. Hope they go good.